let's do my 5 minutes makeup routine together. If you're seeing this face or this video for the very first time, my name is Pamela. You're welcome to the channel. We'll have a good time. So first thing first is to cleanse your face properly because you want your makeup to be on a clean canvas. I use micellar water and wipes for this. Then next up, I applied my lip balm to keep my lips moisturized so that it won't be difficult for me when I'll be lining it. Then next is I applied my primer. For your primer, rub it in very well, properly. Okay, you see the way I'm doing it, and in every of my video, if you have been following me, you will know I used to say primers don't go under the eyes. If you're a beginner watching this video, take note. All right. So next up is your concealer. Here I use Elegant Pro concealer. I use two in the shade Found and Too Far. Okay, that's what I just applied. And make sure that your primer dries off before you start applying your concealer on your face. All right. Then after that, for the application, you go in with your beauty blender or densed brush to just blend everything properly into the skin. All right. Now we are done blending the concealer. Next thing is to apply your powder on the entire face, like a powder that is your own shade. Please take note, on your entire face. Once that is done, you take your setting spray and spray on your face and allow it to dry before the next procedure. So for your blush, you can use a cream blush or a powder blush. Me, I used a powder blush from Bicham Ageless to bring back warmth to my face. Next up is your brows. Just use your spatula to brush it out and use your eye pencil to just sketch out the brows. That is just what you need to do. There's no need of concealing and the rest of the, and this makeup is something that is very good for work, for school, and it's very quick. Something that you can do quick and to still look very beautiful and you look put together. Next up is to use our eyeliner to make a little wing. It's optional. If you like, you do it. If you don't like, you can leave it. But for me, I did it and I love the outcome. Next up is to use your mascara to brush out your lashes, or you can still fix your false lashes if you want. For me, I just brushed out my false lashes and I'm okay with that. So for your lips, ensure you line your lips with a liquid lipstick so it lasts longer. If you know me very well or you have been watching my videos, you know that this my cheek lip palette. I've been using it to create so many amazing lip combo. So that is what I'm using to create this my lip. I was done lining my lip with a dark purple lipstick. Then for the center of my lip, I applied a nude color and blended properly by smacking. So next thing is to go over the face again with a powder. All right. And make sure that the powder you're applying on your face is your shade. So you don't go and apply white powder on your face when you're a dark person, you look like a juju calabar. Then the next thing you need to do is use a highlighter on your cheeks. It's also optional if you want. This is the final look, guys. This look is long lasting and is medium coverage. It is also lightweight, so if the weather is hot, you won't really sweat that much. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to watch my other videos. I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Till then, bye. Mwah.